that storm, that windstorm, that last storm we had. Well, good morning. We're on the move this morning. I got the trailer behind the truck here. We're on our way to the 41.36. I need to tow something for Anthony over there at Country Road Cure. So we are up early this morning. It's about 7:30. I've already got the trailer hooked up and ready to go. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Gonna help my brother out this morning with some things, and maybe even go on an adventure. So stick around. I'll see you when we get at the 41.36. Now, I've told y'all in the last video about the big storm that we had out here with high winds. Look at this, guys. The whole roof to that chicken house blew off. The other night when that storm came through here, it was some of the worst winds that I've seen since I've been here. Luckily, we didn't have a lot of damage up on the mountain, but there has been several roofs that I've seen blown off, including where we're going today. I'll show y'all when we get there. I see another roof peeled up right here. High winds, high winds. Wind can be a very dangerous, dangerous thing, guys. It is such a beautiful morning. We have almost made it to the 41.36. Gorgeous, gorgeous morning. It's only 68 degrees this morning right now. It's only supposed to get up into the high 80s today, so it is a perfect day to do what we're about to go do. Wasn't that cool? Oh, the buzzards are out buzzing today. right, we made it to the 41.36. Oh, look, it's a Gary.
Hey, hey.
Good morning.
I heard a trailer coming up and I was all...
Yeah. Yeah.
Dang.
Got the gate on the old trailer now. I brought it back from Florida on the last trip.
I was having a hard time recognizing the truck.
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
I mean, well, it was
and the new rims and tires.
new rims and tires. I'm like, I want to say it's Como.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. I don't think I've seen that trailer before. That's,
Yeah, looks a little different with the gate on it.
It does.
Yeah. And the rims and tires.
Well,
although the rims and tires definitely make my truck dirty now.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna buy those bolt-on window or fender flares.
Yeah.
I used the same ones I had on the F-250 for the same reason.
These spacers?
No, they're just offset.
Okay.
It fixed my A-arm problem that I had up there.
You're having up here?
Yeah, on the A-arms. The only bad thing is now I got a rub. Over here doesn't rub, but
Rubbing the fender.
it's rubbing right here. So I'm gonna have to probably put a lift on there. Shoot, I can't believe I gotta lift it.
Right.
I've been wanting to lift it anyways, just gives me an excuse. Probably gonna put about a 3-inch lift on it.
That'll be nice.
And the way I see it is a 3-inch lift is needed anyways when we crossing that creek. It's just gonna help put the body up a little bit higher. All right, guys, I'll bring y'all back here in a minute when Anthony finally wakes up, because we're here to grab his stuff. Well, it's about time they woke up. God, that is an ugly face to see in the morning.
I've already been awake.
I'm glad Roxanne came, because if that was the face I had to only see, good God almighty. Whew. That's a whole lot to look at in the mornings, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Jesus.
Well, to wake up to it every morning. I can't get my bike out of here now because all the rocks. I'm gonna take it to the storage. And I don't want to dump it.
Yeah.
What?
Where's it hit?
Right here. It's all bent.
Yeah, I know it's bent.
Well, let's unbend it.
Yeah.
How do you unbend it?
Drive on it.
Oh, you gotta bend this in.
Yeah, drive on it.
What do you mean drive on it? Oh, it comes out.
That ain't bending.
Just put it in front of my truck. Ready?
Nothing's ever easy with David, ever.
I don't know what's needed.
All right, so my brother didn't tell me the gate was so bent up that I'm gonna have to do some repairing here. We're gonna see if we can bend it.
That'll be easy to do. It's just the fact of doing it.
Oh, this is a GoPro. That's right. This is filming with Mel's camera.
There you go. Keep going.
Keep going. Stay right there. Stay right there for a sec.
Back.
Jump up and down on it. Yeah. That's bouncing. Now back up a little. And try to hold, keep going, or we'll tell you when to hold it. Back up just a tad. Hold, oh, go back forward just a little bit, right there. Now do the same little jump up and down on it, yeah. It's bouncing it, I mean, all right. I mean, I don't know how much straighter you can get that. Unless you can use the...
Turn towards me. Yep. Right there. Alright, more. Like right there. Where it needs to come down.
Do I need to bounce it?
Yeah, I mean, bounce a little bit, I would.
You need to bounce. Bounce with it.
You can back up and try to drive directly in the middle of it. That might straighten it out a little. Yeah, that's a good spot right there. That might have.
Probably straightened it out more than it was. Well, it did.
Yeah.
Now it's the other way.
You might be able to get that bent down again,
Well,
but
worst case scenario, we can take a board and put it on each end so it can actually belly a little bit.
that straightened it quite a bit.
Hold on 1 second. What do we got around here?
I got some steaks. Boards.
Like talking about putting underneath and bouncing on it?
And just drive on it again.
We just put
So it can give it a little bit more down that way. I got you. I would try to drive straight on that rib.
Get right over here on this corner.
Well, don't bend it too much. Maybe bend the other thing up.
All right.
You would.
It's mainly that one right there. That other one's not too far bent.
Got it somewhere. Line me up on it, Anthony. That outside bar.
Go slow though. Come on. Right there. More. Right there. I think that might be good.
Bounce on the bumper a little bit. It looks like it needs to.
I don't know. I can't bounce it. My rims.
My rims! You scratched my rims!
My rims. My wheels.
That pull any of it out?
That pulled quite a
A
bit
little
of
bit,
it.
yeah.
You should.
Let me go forward a little bit on it.
There we go. That probably did it. I just don't want it to bend up.
That straightened it out quite a bit.
Better.
That's a lot better.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
That's correct.
That's dang near straight.
I didn't realize I'd be working this morning.
Me neither.
You're the one with the broke trailer.
That's why I brought it, was because he knew that.
Yeah, he knew.
Fixed.
He's like, I ain't gonna do nothing until I get there and make it work.
You hear that?
So how we get this in there?
Get up early in the morning. Come help a brother out. You got a hammer, Gary? Sledgehammer?
Yeah.
Pull it out for a minute. Just take it back.
That's set or we'll set that right now.
Get this tab over.
Now my bike will
Nice.
bend even more.
All of that work.
Now it's gonna bend when he gets his bike on.
Now all that work just to help him out, and then he complains the whole time. Right? I'll tell you what.
Hey, I would have puckered it down the driveway on my bike.
No, he wouldn't have.
Yes, I would have.
He's like, "Can you please come trailer my bike,
I didn't ask.
please?
I didn't even ask.
Because
He's the one
I'm
that said,
scared to
"Don't bring my
ride.
trailer." Don't let
Scared
him
to
lie
ride
you.
my
You're a
bike."
liar.
Yeah, I just started riding yesterday. Oh my God, I'm scared. No, what I'm doing is I'm trying to get Anthony's bike over there to my storage unit. If not, he's never going to ride with me because he won't ride down the dirt roads. It's a whole thing. Roxanne's tried to get him to take her to the casino for like 6 months, and he refuses to ride down the dirt road. So it is what it is. I'm doing this for you, sister. All right. Can you drive it up there, or do we gotta push it?
I can try driving.
I mean, God, it's just a little hill.
Well, there's a black widow inside my. It's gonna be sorry though once it goes on a ride.
Man, I'm thinking about buying 2 of those front tire chucks that mount to your trailer to be able to take our bikes with us, not have to tie them all down, just be able to lock the front tire down type deal.
Yeah. I'll come behind you and balance you. I'll keep you balanced. I've seen the video. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but I'm ready to go. Like that.
Perfect.
That ramp makes, that gate makes all the difference, man. When we loaded the other one, well, the same bike with those other ramps, man, that was a little sketch.
Yeah, with the narrow one.
Yeah. At
Yeah,
least
no,
now,
that scares
at least
me
now
more
you
than
can walk up the ramp with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it definitely makes a huge difference. I need to break out the welder, do a little tack welding. Yeah, that straightened that gate out a lot more.
Heck yeah. It's almost like factory new.
Almost. Now Anthony needs to strap down his bike. And being that he's been talking so much booyaka this morning, I'm just gonna watch.
What?
Strap your bike down. He's gonna watch you work. Do you have straps or should I go grab some?
I asked him yesterday.
I said I got 2.
I have straps.
I said bring some if you got some extra. Exactly what I said.
Well, I'll go grab
I only got 2.
That's all we need.
No, we need more than 2. We need 4.
4? Gary got straps.
I got straps.
I'll go
Anthony
grab
has
those
nothing.
I got 2 and
Anthony has nothing but complaining this morning.
my
That's
other
it.
like 8 disappeared.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I have bought so many straps since I've been in Arkansas, guys, and I'm right about where Anthony's at. I might have
2 left.
I might have 3 like good ones. You know, I got a bunch of straps, just all the ratchets are bent and rusted and
Ran
over and stuff like that. All right, let's put the gate back up. Yeah, I got this when I went back to Florida this time. I told my brother, I said, man, I need to have the gate for that. All right. Well, we got her loaded. Well, you might actually be able to keep it clean now, huh? Yeah. In the old storage. It's hard out here on these dirt roads, boy.
Yes, it is.
Even whenever you got it in a cover like that.
Oh, I had it clean. I washed it and everything, but then...
I remember.
Yeah.
And then look what happened.
Well, we'll be able to keep it clean. Maybe I can get him out riding a little bit more now. As y'all seen, he could use the practice.
See where I hooked it in?
Yep.
Tighten your side first. It's leaning that way. You don't have to, but if it's stuck like that, that's how you gotta get it unstuck.
Your bike, because the only time I'm going to see it for a while is whenever I go riding.
How tight you want to go right now?
You can compress the forks a little bit, it's fine. About right there. Okay, is that just one strap? That's just one.
Alright guys, we got the bike on the trailer. You can see it back there. We're going down the dirt road right now at about 10 miles per hour. Look at these views though. Gorgeous morning guys, gorgeous morning. Got Anthony following me. Got the bike back there. Taking it slow and steady on the dirt road right here. The thing about these Harleys are they lay over on the side on a kickstand. And it's real hard to strap them down tight and to kind of disengage that suspension and get them to tie down real good. They're not like the crotch rockets that's got the little thing that you slide back and it levels it out. So gotta take it easy on these dirt roads. But this is the last time that it'll be trailered on the dirt road, because we're taking it to the storage with my bike just to make it easier to go riding. It's a little bit inconvenience for Anthony because it's a little bit further away for him. We tried to find a place in the middle that had the security that we was looking for, because there's a lot of money in these bikes, guys. None of the ones other than the one that I found closer to my house has gates and cameras and security and all that other stuff. So we wanted it to be behind lock gates with cameras that was monitored and all of that, just for security reasons. So after they kept putting new rock and stuff on the road, Anthony finally made the decision just to go ahead and bite the bullet and store it with mine, because it's a big risk riding down these rock roads on a street bike. It's very, very dangerous, and it's very easy to dump it. And on top of it, your bike's always going to be dirty, always. So we're moving along, and I will bring y'all back whenever we get to the storage place. That storm, that wind storm, that last storm we had.
Really?
Yeah.
You already knows about it?
Yeah, they was out here working on it the other day, and there was a chicken farm on the way to your house, and between our houses, same thing. Roof just peeled up. That's like the 4th roof I've seen since that storm. Look at this, guys. That's all I can show you. I don't like showing where my bike's at, so you only get bits and parts. Let's get him unloaded. Ooh, that scared me. I got that empty gut feeling, you know what I mean? Where your stomach drops.
Yeah.
My bike.
Ain't even my bike, but I was so worried about my brother. This is the dumbest.
Well, you shouldn't have to always do that, but it's like a secondary.
Where's the other strap? Back of your truck. So. Yeah. Beautiful day for riding though. That thing was saying 79 degrees on the way here.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
I'm gonna go slow.
having that gate up. After we loaded your bike that time, on my bike, huh? Yeah. All right, got him unloaded. Let's get the trailer and truck backed up, and then we'll get my bike out. There she is. Alright, got the bike out. Looking good, looking good. Anthony's moving his truck over there out of the way just in case they come to work on that monstrosity. It's crazy. Being that Anthony's never been here before, I'm going to take him into the little museum here on Mount Magazine. Cool little place. Shows the history of the mountain and the different wildlife and stuff like that's in here. Again. Hey kitty. What are you doing?
This is the...
You want to be a YouTuber?
This must be the mountain cat.
You want to be a YouTuber? Huh? You want to kind of come on mountain? Don't be too friendly. I'll put you in a saddlebag. Take you. Midnight wants a friend.
I don't think you're allowed to go inside though, you got. I don't know.
This is the gift shop.
Hey, honey.
It's not very big, but it's cool.
That is cool.
It's been a resort for 100 years. The lodge sure has changed. That's right there is what's on top of my mountain. Cougar. Says we can touch these. Check this out, guys. We need to start doing some trapping. Some trapping.
Trapping?
Oh yeah, trapping.
Armadillo, deer shed. Only you can prevent forest fires. There's a lot of wildflowers here in Arkansas. And I see these jokers all the time. Beep, beep. The road runner. Yeah. Savannah sandstone. Heartstone sandstone. And you call Mount Magazine the island in the sky. It's one thing I have noticed about Arkansas. There is a ton of butterflies. Tons. All right, guys, we're going to get back on the road. Black bear tracks. Right there's the old black bear. Here's a model of Mount Magazine. What are you doing, George? I would love to have a mount like that. Alright, Anthony has not seen the hang gliding launch here on the mountain, so we're going to show him. I'm just Mount Magazine's tour guide today, huh?
I guess.
I spend a lot of time up here, guys. Look at this view, though. I will jump off this mountain one day. One day. You know, I took Mike here when they first got here. They just cut this grass. And I told him, be very, very careful, it's slippery. He slipped right there and almost went. It's pretty crazy, right? Just to run and jump. Got a bald eagle flying by.
America.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, dude? I haven't seen one that close in a long time.
That joker got a wingspan, boy. About a 6 foot wingspan. He said, I'll show you how to hang glide.
Yeah, no joke.
I ain't seen him flap his wings yet.
Nope.
Speaking of lunch, he ain't the only one looking for it. The lodge is right there, so we're gonna stop in there and have some lunch. And Anthony's gonna like that too. It's really nice inside that lodge. The bikes look good sitting on the mountain though.
Yeah, I really like that black one.
Yeah, that black one's all right, but that silver one is where it's at. crooked. I'm a little crooked, it was my fault. This lodge actually burnt down and they rebuilt it and made this a big old thing right here. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. Hello. How are y'all? I'm good. All right, guys, we just got done with lunch, but I seen this guy out the window. Look at him.
Yeah. We don't see him too often.
What are they again?
It's an Irish wolfhound.
Yeah,
Big dogs.
Big old boy.
Big dogs.
You are a cutie. Wow.
Sure, it's a lot to feed them.
I bet that grocery bill is huge. Huge. All right, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Yes, sir.